constraints govern the rate at which a system creates value, then this necessarily means that non-constraints must have capacity available. Optimization and collaboration are two sides of the same coin. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. To get the most we can from the constraint, we must adopt the mantra, let the constraint do only that which only the constraint can do. Having the constraint do only that which only the constraint can do necessitates non-constraints taking up whatever work the constraint is currently doing that is a hindrance to the unfettered use of the constraint's time doing only constraint-based activity. Police officers should be out walking the beat. Nurses should be attending to patients. Wherever possible, let administrators run the paperwork. You should not count the cost of small batches and many setups at non-constraints if the result enables constraint optimization. You should not work on a task on a project if your time is better spent helping your team progress another which is on the critical path. This collaboration step is often the hardest to achieve. We believe that because we are paying for someone to be at work, then work they shall. We live under the unexamined and misguided notion that we deliver value by virtue of our busyness and not, more correctly, through our ability to support the critically constrained resource. Remember, an hour gained at the constraint is now gained for the system as a whole. Gaining that hour at the constraint is often a function of the support team's ability to subordinate their local optimization to the system's needs, and thus collaborating around the constraint. My course for systems thinkers explores methods and behaviors for collaboration that ensure project, production, and replenishment solutions optimize value delivered from constraints and thereby contribute significantly to delivering consistently high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.